Hello, Gino, the dowsing chef here. Just an announcement that, I've been trying to work on my health in the last few months since you've seen a video uploaded. And so I've discovered the low fat vegan diet thanks to the dowsing and just following that path. So I've been doing that for a while and thinking, how am I going to bring it into the show? Well, I'm basically just going to go straight into it. But all I'm saying is that, the recipes that you've seen up until now are, very high calorie, intentionally, to try and, get people over, just get people to eat stuff that's maybe as high calorie as they were eating, if they were eating like fatty meats and stuff like that, just purely based on, making it taste good. So moving forward, this is the recipes will be low fat, and I found that really challenging and thinking about how I'm going to do this, and without it just being like eat some fruit and some plain, I don't know, some just really plain. Me, I'm like really into my olive oil and stuff. So it's been a challenge, but it's been a lot easier than I thought. But I think the challenge is to present dishes to you guys that you might want to eat. So I don't know, like there are people that actually watch this. I don't know if you guys are worried about your health or you're healthy and you just can eat kind of whatever you want. Do let me know, because I know there are some people that watch it. Let me know what you think. Maybe you're young. I know some of you are students and you're looking for cheap vegan meals. So anyway, the recipes moving forward, I'll consider, I'll say, well, for me, if I'm, say, frying onions and garlic, I'll be using some water instead of oil. I'm okay with that now. So if I do a dish, I'll say, hey, you can just use olive oil here or whatever. So the recipes are still going to be good. I mean, if you're doing vegan cooking, you're, regardless of what people say, I think it does feel like your scope or your sort of window of what you can work with, that gets smaller. I don't think that's really true, but like as a perception thing, like if you're just a basic home cook without getting too experimental about stuff. So anyway, that's it. So moving forward, it's low fat vegan. But I'll keep you in mind and just let me know what you think. Okay. See you at the next video.